numerical problem is an aqueous solution contains 0.413 gram of lithium chloride in 100 gram of water. Freezes at 272.807 Kelvin. Now calculate the Van 't Hoff factor and the degree of dissociation of lithium chloride. Given are Kf, that is freezing point that is Kf for water is 1.86 Kelvin kilogram per mole, and the molar mass of LiCl is 42.5 gram per mole. Now the first step is calculation of theoretical freezing point depression. We know that delta Tf is equal to 1000 Kf G divided by MW0. Here Kf is 1.86 G, 0.413 gram of LiCl are dissolved. W0, how many grams of solvent? In 100 gram of water it is dissolved, therefore W0 is 100 gram, and M is molecular weight of the solute, that is of LiCl, and it is 42.5. Now we put all these value in the above mentioned equation, so we get delta Tf is equal to 1000 into 1.86 into 0.413 divided by 42.5 into 100, and theoretically the elevation the depression in freezing point should have been 0.1807 Kelvin. Now the second step is calculation of Van 't Hoff factor I. We know that Van 't Hoff factor I can be calculated by the ratio of observed value of any colligative property divided by theoretical value of that colligative property. In this case, depression in freezing point, that is delta Tf observed by delta Tf theoretical. Now delta Tf observed will be equal to, we know that the freezing point of water is 273.15, whereas the freezing point experimental freezing point of this LiCl solution is 272.807. So the difference is 0.343 Kelvin, which is observed or experimentally determined depression in freezing point. And delta Tf theoretical we have already calculated in the first step, that is 0.1807 Kelvin. So now Van 't Hoff factor I will be equal to experimentally observed value of depression in freezing point is 0.343, whereas theoretically according to equation it should have been 0.1807. So the ratio comes out to be 1.898. That is the value of Van 't Hoff factor. Now the third step is calculation of degree of dissociation alpha of lithium chloride. Now we know that degree of dissociation alpha is equal to I minus 1 divided by nu minus 1, where I is Van 't Hoff factor, in this case 1.898, and nu is it denotes how one molecule of electrolyte dissociates into how many number of ions. In this case LiCl dissociates into Li plus and Cl minus n, that is we get total of 2 ions, therefore nu will be equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now we put these values of I and nu in this equation, therefore alpha will be equal to 1.898 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 0.898, or in percentage terms it will be 89.8%. That gives us that the degree of dissociation of lithium chloride in water is 89.8%.